Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anna. If you're new here, I do makeup reviews, makeup tutorials, skincare, anything beauty related, I got you covered. Today's video is a new launch from Maybelline. I picked up their Instant Age Rewind Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. This is what it looks like. It's very new. I saw them kind of teasing it like on ads, and then I saw it was going to be available at Ulta. As soon as I saw it was available on Ulta, I picked it up. So like always, timestamps will be down below. So while I open this, let's talk about it. It retails for about $8, $9. I know for sure it is available at Ulta. It comes in 5 colors. There's a like fair, then there's a light, then there's a medium, then I think there's like a tan and a deep. Now when I got this in the mail, I was so surprised because this is medium and that looks tan to me. So I don't know if it's sheer. Sorry. Okay. So when I was looking at the pictures online, I didn't think that the medium looked this dark. But the light is pretty fair. So I saw somebody else like swatch it and the light shade is very like pink undertone, and I know for sure the fair shade is not going to work. I do have some color just for being outside, so we're going to see if this works. The whole thing behind this is that it's a 4-in-1, so it's a primer, concealer, highlighter, and a BB cream. So I am new to Maybelline's foundations. I've only tried the dewy and smooth, or smooth and dewy one, and I really like that. I know they came out with a foundation that's in the same kind of shape. I don't know if it's like a hit or not, so we're gonna find it out together. So you gotta get it, you open the top, and then I believe you turn, there's like little arrows here, let me show you. So there's like little arrows, so you just turn in that direction. It's going to click. And then once the product comes out, you know it's ready to go. Now, I am not the biggest fan of applicators like this because I just feel like they get dirty quick. It's still working its way up. Oh, it's coming. Okay. So I'm going to swatch it for you here. That's dark. That's very dark. Can you see that? Oh man. Yeah. If it's light coverage, I could probably make it work if I sheer it out. Let's just go for it. See what happens. All right. Again, shade 2 medium. I'm just gonna go down the side of my nose, my face. That's dark. Let me get a foundation brush. Miss A, the AOA Studio. It's like a flat kind of kabuki or whatever you want to call it. So I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, this foundation has a lot of, it's like red. It's like a red undertone. That's really strange. Okay, let me, we're figuring this out together. I'm not crazy about the shade, but let me see if there's like a better way of doing this. I don't know. It's funny because it has like little specks of a golden undertone or kind of like a gold shimmer or something, but you don't see it on the face. Yeah, you don't see it on the face. On the bottom, or like if you look really close to this, you can kind of see it, but it's extremely subtle. You can tell that that's not my color. But let's see. It does sheer out pretty nice. I'm not seeing that this has a lot of coverage. I would say it's, like it says, it's a BB cream. And I know BB creams are they're a little confusing sometimes, because BB creams, either certain brands will have them and they have decent coverage, and some of them just don't really have coverage. So think of this more as like a tinted moisturizer, I guess. Now I'm applying that pretty heavy on my face, and like you can see that it doesn't match. But what I'm seeing though is if I blend it out, and I'm being like pretty not rough on my face, but I'm definitely like working it into the skin with the brush. It does blend out. It's not terrible. Ah, it's interesting. Okay. So even though it's not my shade, when I blend it out, it definitely diffuses pretty nice. Because, alright, here, the best way I can show you is on my neck, probably, because my neck is a lot lighter. So, alright, you see that's on my neck? Let me pull back. But if I blend it, the color distributes pretty evenly, and I do have more of a glow. Again, I can see that it has a bit of a, like I said, a reddish undertone. You can see here it's a little more red than on this side. Let me just even me out. And then I'm just going to layer on a little bit more just to see if we can build the coverage up. I almost feel like it kind of adjusts to my face. See, look, so I pull back, right? Again, put it on, the color is not the correct color, but after I kind of blend it out, it definitely adjusts to my face. Like from what I'm seeing in front of me, it doesn't look off or anything like that. Yeah. It reminds me of those products like the L'Oreal Glotion, or somebody compared this to the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Filter. I would not say that's the same. I can do a comparison for you. As far as like the glow that you get, in my opinion, it's not the same. But it looks good. Wow. What do you guys think? Like I said, once you blend it out, it looks really good. One thing that I will say though, the shade I was before I got some color, I don't know that this would have worked for me, and I don't know that the light shade would have worked. So I'm curious about that. But for something to kind of throw on your face and give you like a pretty glow, I think this is actually really nice. Let me get in close so you guys can see. Unfortunately, I have gray skies today, but with my camera, everything kind of picks up very good, so you can see everything in like in the best color. So I'm gonna come in. See how my face looks? Like it's definitely glowing. And like I said, I know the color's not the best match, but it's not terrible. It's not terrible. I guess I would best describe this as something almost like a perfecting skin tint, more of a skin tint. You're not going to get a lot of coverage. I don't know how you can highlight with this. I mean, I guess if you pick up multiple shades, but then at that point you're spending like $30 for contouring, highlighting, and just foundation. So I would probably recommend this more as like a tinted moisturizer or a skin perfecting kind of thing. You do get a really pretty glow. It does blend very easy, which I do like. And being that the color was like a little bit off at first, it didn't mess with like the rest of my face or it looks odd or anything like that. I would almost say this shade in particular, I would say it's almost like if you wanted to mix it in with the foundation to kind of give you a little bit of a bronze, or almost like a bronzing kind of product, unless it's close to your skin tone like it is kind of close to mine, and it gives you a pretty glow. But I think the medium shade, if you're lighter, would work really pretty as a type of bronzer, because you do have the gold in there, and then there's, you know, there's depth to it, so there's another option to use it. But I think it's actually pretty. I like it. And the shade range, again, you have like a fair color, which is for like porcelain skin, and then it goes pretty deep. So I think the idea behind this was to kind of like pick a shade and it kind of morphs to your skin tone, and I definitely see that. I'm not gonna lie, when I put this on originally and I saw it, I was like, this is not gonna work for me. But my mind has been changed, and I think it's a good product. I like it. It's good for summer. It's lightweight. I don't feel it, and it feels like skincare, I guess. It's a good one. It's a good one. So if you're gonna try it out, let me know. I would love to hear your thoughts. And yeah, let me know what you guys are using. What's your favorite tinted moisturizer, BB cream, anything. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.